everyone! Lately, being a trend of payment system using QR code, so that many companies engage in the phone, vintage, and financial services make a QR code to make a premium transaction. If you don't have any balance in the application, then you cannot pay it using QR code. It can be worse if you have a different application with QR code owned by the outlet or restaurant that we want to visit. So, how much do we have to have the application QR code company? Is it so complex? Let's be searching out in the Google for the solution. Company.
아무래도 refresh가 시급한 듯 쌓여간 스트레스가 배꼽 빠질 만큼만 복속하고 싶은 날이야 Yo what up my thugs 어디야 넌 올 때 병맥주랑 가볍게 사와 클럽은 구미가 잘 안 당겨 우리 집 거실로 빨랑워 왜 보이는 영역껏 차단시켜 밤새 수다 떨 시간도 모자라 누군 힘들어 죽겠고 누군 축제 괜히 싱숭생숭 I want my juice back 좀 전까지 못 차지 하다 한 명 두 명씩 자리 왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 그 반대로 블루투스 켜
Interesting.
아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는 걸로 아무렇게나 춤춰 아무렇지 않아 보이게 아무 생각하기 싫어
A few moments later.
I'm sick and tired of my everyday Keep it up 한 곡도 떠나지
A few minutes later.
Quick Response Indonesian Standard atau Qris adalah kode QR yang distandarisasi oleh Bank Indonesia. Qris bukanlah aplikasi baru. Dengan Qris, merchant cukup menyediakan satu QR untuk semua aplikasi pembayaran di Indonesia. Jadi, konsumen tidak perlu mengganti aplikasi QR-nya karena transaksi tetap bisa terjadi walaupun aplikasi QR konsumen berbeda dengan QR yang disediakan oleh merchant. Dengan standarisasi ini, transaksi digital jadi lebih mudah dan efisien.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸 요샌 이런 게 유행인가 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 그 반대로 블루투스 켜 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는
75 years later.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a...
So, now we will discuss the types of digital payment from Qris. What's all of that? So, first is static merchant system model, or usually called by NPM. Most usually merchants simply display one feature or two as it is free. The user only performs the scan, enter the amount under the pin, and click pay. The transaction notifications are accepted by user or merchant. Qris statistics and perfect for micro and small They have dynamic merchant present model, or by usually NPM. QR is issued via device such as EDC or smartphone and is free. Merchant must enter the payment amount first. Then, the customer performs a Qris scan that appears or is printed. Qris Dynamic NPM is perfect for medium and large business merchant scales or with high transaction volume. And the last but not least is Customer Present Model or CPM, currently in testing phase. The customer simply shows Qris which is displayed from the customer payment application to be scanned by the merchant. Qris CPM is more aimed at merchants who need high transaction speeds, such as transportation providers. parking, and modern retailing. Then, what is the difference between Qris and QR other code? Well, let's check it out. What is the difference?
RIS now payment transactions using QR code only need one QR code now because the QR code is already integrated with all applications that provide and or receive payment with QR code. So, there is no need for you to be busy with various QR codes in one merchant because with QRIS there is only one QR code for all. With QRIS terms of use effective? What about the parties who have used the QR code payment which is not QR?
QRIS first update predically signed 17 Augustus 2009.